Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our second chapter of English class 3, the big race. So this is in the picture you can see a tortoise and the rabbit. You must have heard the story also. So in this story rabbit was very proud of his racing, and he asked tortoise to he challenged tortoise to do the race with him, and at the end rabbit sleeps and tortoise win the race. So in this chapter, the big race, we are going to learn about this kind of story only, the race, the big race. So let's start it. It was the day of the big race for the butterfly children. Oshi was very excited. He had been busy organizing it for a week. But soon, one by one, the competitors had dropped out of the race. So, Oshi felt very sad and disappointed. He was trying hard to find somebody who would be willing to take a part in the race. Just then, Cladret appears, pulling Morpho along by the hand. They had came to watch the race. Morpho was very shy and quiet. Cladret said, "Hello, Oshi. When does the race starts?" Oshi flew over to them. "The race is cancelled." He then, sadly, "There is nobody to take part in it." "Why don't you race, Oshi?" asked Cladret. Oshi smiled. "What a great idea! But how will I race with? Who will I race with?" Cladret pushed Morphe forward. How about him?" she asked. Morpho laughed. "Oshi, I can't race with him. He is so shy." So there were butterfly children, and they were organizing a race. So they were organizing the race. There was some participants, competitor who write down their name, and the one by one competitor were dropped out from the race. So the butterfly children, Oshi, was very sad that he had organized the race, but no one was there. So the race was cancelled, and soon there came two more butterfly. Their name was Cladret and Morpho. They came to watch the race, but Oshi said that the race was cancelled, and Cladret told Morpho that you can race for that. But Morpho was very shy, so he don't want to do the race, and they were pulling each other for that. Now moving to the next, but then Osho thought to himself, "I will be able to beat Morpho easily." So Osho thought that Morpho will be beaten by Oshi easily. His mind was up. "Come on, Morpho," he said. "You are in the race." No, I can't do it," said Morpho. "Oh, it's so easy. All you have to do is to fly as fast as you can. Don't stop for anything. The one who reached the finish line first in the winner," explained Oshi at the starting line. The race began. Oshi shot off at a fantastic speed. Morpho set off slow after Oshi. "Morpho will never be able to beat him," laughed Oshi. "I will reach the finish line in no time at all." Thuck! All of a sudden, Oshi flew straight into a sticky spider web. Oshi tried very hard to free himself, but he just could not. He dangled dangerously from the spider's web, with no one to help him. Then he saw Morpho. "Help!" cried Oshi. "Morpho, please help me. Please come and free me from this web." So they both started the race, and Oshi was very excited, and he knew that he will win the race against Morpho. But soon after that, Oshi stuck into a spider web, and he was asking for a help. He saw Morpho and he asked him help. So what happens next? Let's see that. So Morpho said, "But if I stop to help you, I won't win the race." However, when Morpho saw how upset Oshi was, he felt very sorry for him. He knew he should stop and help Oshi, even if it meant that he would lose the race. So he went to set Oshi free. Soon Oshi was free from the sticky web. "Now you can hurry up and win the race," said Morpho. The crowd waited excitedly to see who would win the big race. Soon they saw Oshi and Morpho flying across the finish line hand in hand. "It is draw," they shouted. "No, it is not," cried Oshi. "Morpho is real winner today. He showed me that it is better to win a friend than win a race." So in this chapter, Morpho helped Oshi. So he felt very sorry for that, what he was expecting. Then both of Oshi and Morpho both fly in hand, and the race was draw, and Oshi said that Morpho win the race, and said that it is better to find a so Oshi said that Morpho, it is better to win a friend than a race. So they become a best friend, and that's all for this class. So we will come with the second part of this and with questions. Thank you. Keep watching. Hope you have understand this story. Keep watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.